Hey everyone, so I still have my whiteboard, I still have my marker, but now I'm going to be working on something that maybe takes a step beyond what we've done before. This is a great math problem to talk about with someone, so I love the idea of you sitting next to a big brother or a grandma and just kind of talking about the math. See what they say, see what you think, and maybe come up with an answer. Let's go ahead and uncover this one and see, oh, interesting. So this is a chart, right, where we're going to organize some information so that it's easy to see in a snap. You can tell which one's more, which one's less, how much more, how much less. Charts are used in magazines and newspapers, television shows, news forecasts, especially about the weather. Oh, well, we're looking at the weather right now. All right, so I've been keeping track over the last 20 days, and it has rained 10 days. All right, so I'm going to come down here for rain, and I'm going to display this information right here. It has rained 10 days, and I'm going to put it right here in the rainy weather area. I'm going to show 10. I suppose I could do it a few different ways. I could do raindrops, right? I could do tally charts. I could do tally marks. I could do X's. I could do O's. Usually, though, you pick something that's easy to draw. So I'm probably not going to draw snowflakes and things like that. Instead, I'm just going to do circles, and I'm going to try to make them all the same size. That's kind of important when you're making comparisons. So I think I'm going to do blue circles for the rain, and I need 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not perfect, but pretty good. All right, let's talk about the next piece of information. It snowed 3 of the days. I remember those terrible snowy days. All right, let's go ahead and see if we can't snow 3 of these days. 1, 2, 3. Those look a little smaller. Let me make those bigger. 1, 2. Oh, I like that better. Okay. So I have rainy days. I have snowy days here, right? And I probably shouldn't have used the colors I am, but I'm married to it now, so we're going to go with it. And then the rest of those 20 days were sunny. It says the rest of the days were sunny, but it doesn't tell me what the rest are. So right now I'm sitting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I remember that, 10, 11, 12, 13 days. So I'm just going to count the rest as sunny. Stop me when I get to 20. You ready? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 7 more days. So and that makes sense. Wow, that is not what I was looking for. Let's try. 20 is the same as 10 plus 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because that's a 10 and that's a 10. So I've created a chart that shows you in a glance which ones were the most, which ones were kind of middle-sized, and which ones were less frequent or not as often, right? You can see that. You could even see the difference between rainy and sunny days are just here, those 3. That's how many more rainy days there were. That's how many less sunny days there were. It makes it really easy to compare numbers rather than using the text or even using the numbers themselves. The graph is a useful tool for you to know how to make, read, and use. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you soon.